is for aardwolf, sniffing through the sand. B is for binturong, tail so grand. C is for caecilian, a wormy surprise. D is for dolly, with clever amber eyes. E is for Ellen, leaping through the plains. F is for fossa, stalking through the rains. G is for Gerenuk, stretching high for leaves. H is for Hodson, with claws on its sleeves. I is for Iriomoti, cat sneaky and shy. J is for Jerboa, jumping so high. K is for Kinkajo, swinging at night. L is for Loris, with eyes big and bright. Eyes big and bright. M is for man and wolf, fox-like and tall. N is for numbat, munchin' bugs small. O is for okapi, stripes on its legs. P is for pangolin, rolling up like eggs. Q is for kaka, with a permanent grin. R is for red panda, snuggled in a bin. S is for saola, so rare and proud. T is for tarsier, never lost in the crowd. U is for uakari, with a bright red face. V is for vaquita, vanishing in space. W is for wolverine, tough and quick. X is for Xeris, doing tail flicks. Y is for Yabby, in Aussie streams below. Z is for Zorilla, with a peppermint blow. With a peppermint blow. Which animal was your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this wild ABC jungle jam with your friends. See you on the next adventure.